We rolling? Okay. Hello, Professor Green. Here's my outfit. And I'm gonna grab that, thank you. Here's my audience members. And give me a little bit just to set this, my outline, let me not forget that. Turn on my computer, sorry. Here's my outline. And remember to show that this time. And I'm gonna set this up and we will get started. Okay, let's break that. Okay, stay standing, please. Yes, I think we're gonna work. Okay. Okay. Starting. Alright. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be telling you about my future aspirations of becoming a planetary geologist. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars, brushing red dust from the rock that you just uncovered, and seeing traces of an ancient river. Every planet has a story written within its rocks. Today I want to inform you of my career of a planetary geologist, their education, duties, earnings, and new advancements ever evolving in the space field. Reporting from Branko Messini in 2022, planetary geology combines astronomy, physics, and geology to study how planets form and evolve. And a basic understanding of all three is very important to understanding planetary geology. Most planetary geologists start with a bachelor's degree in geology science or earth science, and all three can be used for different fields of planetary geology. The field is interdisciplinary, connecting multiple sciences to better understand the solar system. Once their education is complete, we move on to what they do. And what they do is they begin exploring data from other worlds. And what that means is basically from other planets, we uncover rocks or minerals or whatever it may be, and we send those back to Earth and do discoveries on them. And we perform duties that help us better understand those planets. They analyze spacecraft and rover data from missions like Mars Perseverance, which was a mission launched back in 2020 involving the exploration of Mars and the collection of future samples to be returned to Earth. Through this mission, we discovered that life is possible. They study rocks, minerals, and planetary surfaces to understand how worlds were shaped. Many geologists work with NASA and the USGS, the United States Geological Service, or research labs to polish discoveries and support missions, both of them being government agencies. With all these duties, how is the financial reward? What do they make from this? Well, the earnings can vary from the high end being government workers, as mentioned before, mainly for NASA, which can make roughly 110 or more a year, and the lower end being maybe just local research labs or colleges, although still vastly important to better understand for students. And they all work in tandem. Now that we know about pay, what are new advancements in the field that are making it way easier to understand our field? Well, according to Crane, in 2022, new technologies are changing how planetary sciences study the worlds. Whether it is new technology that's advanced just in 20 years on tectonic mapping or imagery to better scope out planets before we go in and send drones to them, send machinery to them to uncover rocks or different minerals. AI is also a big thing. The use of AI is very, very important, and it's ever evolving for everything, but especially planetary geology because it's faster than humans in most things regarding after humans have worked on their thing that they do, AI can just advance it, whether it's through language or providing documentaries to the public. In conclusion, planetary geology is shaping our understanding of the universe and our own planets, and I hope you are better informed about my field of planetary geology that I hope to one day go into. And I'd like to thank my two sources, Branko H.C. Messini in 2022 and their book on planetary geology. And I'd also like to thank Kesley Crane for exciting opportunities in planetary structural geology and tectonics for my research for this speech. Thank you very much.
Good.